Okay, a lot of you know so far that I see finance and money as the foundation of any transformerpreneur's lifestyle transformation business. It's something that's neglected, but I think an initial foundation is really necessary, an understanding of perhaps even where it could go and what the requirements might be if you've got bigger aspirations for your business. But anyway, even small aspirations, even if you want to just be the one-man transformerpreneur, perfectly acceptable. But finance, the differentiation and distinction between personal finance and business finance, and how to organize it, how to structure it, how to track it, has really been key for me to feel a sense of ease, comfort and clarity when it comes to money, and where I'll be and how long I've got before things get challenging or difficult. So I don't have to worry about it in the bigger picture sense. But if I track and keep on a hold of my money on a more micro level, which becomes habit very quickly, you can really get to understand how it works within your business and how it flows. And it's way more powerful than that. But I don't want to rattle on. I've been talking about certain things around money for a while. I've got a few videos out there now, and this one is actually just about. I'll show you. I published a very small little book. You see that? And Finance Made Easy for Transformerpreneurs. And that's a sort of little handheld, easy, thin, short, quick read, which is actually a little book course. It's like a predecessor to a course. It's a trial, it's a test, very useful in terms of getting some feedback. But for me, it's a story and a background and an outline of why finance and money is important to understand it, at least to a certain level. And it also goes into a little bit more detail about how to organize your finances. Now, I am running sessions on that, but this gives you a good background. And it also has included a little online pricing tool, so it goes into pricing and things like that, money resistance or financial resistance, how we kind of tend to push it to one side and don't think about it. It's covering off, it's got mantras in there, all sorts of different things. I'll post some pictures and some little interior views of it, but I'm here now. I've brought 10 copies with me, which is why I can make them available for 500 baht, and you can take them away and read them at your leisure in your hammock. And then after that I'll bring some more in, and it'll be about 750 baht. But with it you obviously get email support from me, and if you see me around, you can just grab me and we can chat through anything. And if needed, we can go into depth, and I can run a session, what I'd call an easy money session, which will basically take you through this and do the exercises with you and set you up on some software, really simple free software to help you get that done for yourself. So if you fancy this, want to take a look inside, see what it's all about, come grab me, come by where I normally sit in my day-to-day, and we'll have a chat. Thank you.